Hi friends, welcome to Brain Blaster. In this video, we're going to see about fundamentals of constitutions. If you're watching without subscribing Brain Blaster, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notification on each videos. Now let us go to the first question. Who is the Supreme Commander of India's Defense Forces? Chief of Staff of the Indian Army, President of India, Prime Minister of India or Defense Minister? The answer is President of India. The next question. The States Reorganization Act of 1956 reduced the number of states in the country from 27 to 14, 15, 18 or 19. The correct answer is option A 14. A constitutional emergency declared by the President has to be approved by Union Parliament within 1 month, 2 months, 6 months or 1 year. The correct answer is 2 months. What does the Indian Constitution provides for Indian citizen? Single citizenship, dual citizenship, both of them or none of these? Single citizenship. To whom should the letter of resignation of the President be addressed? Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Vice President or Prime Minister? Answer is Vice President. Who has the right to alter the name of any Indian state? Governor of the state legislature concerned, Union Parliament or the President of India? The answer is Union Parliament. Which of the following qualification is not essential for election as President of India? Citizen of India, not less than 35 years of age, qualified for election as member of Lok Sabha, member of the Lok Sabha. Answer is member of Lok Sabha. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Right of strike, right to equality, right of freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies. Answer is right of strike. Which one of the following court is responsible for the enforcement of fundamental rights? High Court, Supreme Court of India, District and Session Court, both A and B. The answer is both A and B. The Indian Constitution came into force on which date? January 26, 1950, January 26, 1949, November 26, 1949, January 1, 1950. The correct answer is January 26, 1950. The Constitution of India is dash, rigid, very rigid, flexible or partly rigid and partly flexible. The correct answer is partly rigid and partly flexible. The Constitution of India was adopted on which date? November 26, 1949, August 16, 1949, August 14, 1948, January 25, 1950. The answer is November 26, 1949. In which year was the first Constitution Amendment Act passed? 1951, 1952, 1953, 1950. The correct answer is 1951. The President of India is the dash, head of the country, head of the government, head of state and government, uncrowned monarch of the republic. The answer is head of country. Who was the third president of Indian Republic? Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Dr. Zahir Hussain, V. Giri, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. The answer is Dr. Zahir Hussain. Who among the following held office as President of India for 2 consecutive terms? Dr. H. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, V. Giri, both A and B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Constitution makes India a secular country. This means what? India shall be a theocratic country. India shall be a state without religion. The country is free from religious affiliations. None of these. The answer is the country is free from religious affiliations. The oath of office to the President is administered by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, Vice President or Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is Chief Justice of India. Who acted as the Prime Minister of India immediately after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru? T.T. Krishnamachari, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Gulzari Lal Nanda. Gulzari Lal Nanda. When were the first general election held in the country? 1950 to 51, 1949 to 50, 1951 to 52, 1952 to 53. The correct answer is 1951 to 52. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by whom? Prime Minister, President, Parliament, or Vice President? Answer: President. Which is the only Indian state which has a unique distinction of having its own constitution? Goa, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, or none of these? The correct answer is option D, none of these. The head of the state of Jammu and Kashmir was redesignated as governor in 1965. Earlier he was known as Maharaja, Prime Minister, Sadar-e-Riyasat, Raj Pramukh. Answer is Sadar-e-Riyasat. The final authority to make a proclamation of emergency rests with the Prime Minister, President, Union Parliament, Union Council of Ministers. Answer: President. Judges of High Courts are appointed by whom? Chief Justice of High Court, Governor, the President, the Chief Minister. Answer is President. When the office of the President and Vice President fall vacant simultaneously, who acts as President? Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chief of Army Staff. Chief Justice of India. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can be removed from his office by whom? President, Prime Minister, vote of non-confidence passed by both houses of government, resolution passed by absolute majority of Lok Sabha. Resolution passed by absolute majority of Lok Sabha members. For which state it is constitutionally obligatory to have a separate minister for tribal welfare? Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, all of them. The correct answer is all of them. Panchayati Raj was introduced in India in which year? 1957, 1952, 1951, 1959. And the correct answer is 1959. Panchayati Raj was introduced in which state? Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat. The correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. The committee on whose recommendations Panchayati Raj was introduced in the country was headed by whom? Balwant Rai Mehta, Jivraj Mehta, Jagjeevan Ram, Shriman Narayan. The answer is Balwant Rai Mehta. When was national emergency declared for the first time in India? October 1962, February 1962, December 1962, January 1963. Answer is October 1962. Members of Lok Sabha are elected for 5 years, but this can be extended by Parliament in a national emergency for how many years? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years? The answer is 1 year. For how many years does the Vice President hold office? 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or 6 years? The correct answer is 5 years. Which Indian state remained an associate state for a short period before it was recognized as a full-fledged state of union? Goa, Sikkim, Nagaland, Kerala. The answer is Sikkim. The term of office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years? Answer is 6 years. At present, only 5 states have legislative councils. Find the odd one out. Bihar, Kerala, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Kerala. Which among the following states returns the maximum number of representatives to the Lok Sabha? Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. The concept of welfare state funds, elaboration in the dash. Preamble, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principles of state policy. Answer is directive principles of state policy. The Sarkarika Commission was set up to examine what? Center-state relations, interstate relations, the working of public sector undertakings, the dispute relating to sharing of Kaveri water. The correct answer is center-state relations. So we came to the end of the video. To know the remaining questions, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video with your friends who are preparing for any competitive exams. Let us meet in our next video. Until then, keep your brain blasting with new questions every day. Jai Hind.